Hello children, how are you? I am sure you must be taking care of you and your family during this lockdown period. Children, in this lesson, we are going to take information about history, fifth lesson, the foundation of Swaraj. We are going to divide this lesson into two videos. Children, before I start the first part of the video, we will revise what we have learned in the last lesson. In last lesson, that is Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj, we have taken information about the different powers who were ruling in India. Similarly, we had also taken information about different sants and their preaching. Sant Tukaram, Sant Zokhamela, Sant Ramdas Swami, Sant Jnaneshwar. We have studied them and we have also learned the teachings which were given in that condition by this great sant. Children, in this particular lesson, we are going to study the different points related to the establishment of the Swaraj. For example, we are going to study the birth of Shivaji Maharaj. We are also going to take information about Shahaji Raje. We are also going to take information about Rajamata Jizabai. We are also going to take information about Rajamudra, establishment of Swaraj, how Shivaji Maharaj had captured the fort of Jauri, then how he defeated Afzal Khan, and the expedition of Siddhi Johar. Let's start with the first part of the video, that is birth of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivneri fort near Junner in Pune district on the day of Falgun Vaidya, Tritiya Shaka year 1551, that is 19th February 1630 CE. He established Swaraj by challenging the unjust power of the rulers. Let's take information about Shahaji Raje, who was the father of Shivaji Maharaj. Shahaji Raje, the father of Shivaji Maharaj, was a preeminent Sardar in Deccan. He tried to save Nizamshahi by offering stiff resistance to the combined might of the Mughals and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. But Nizamshahi was defeated and came to an end in 1636 CE. Thereafter, he became Sardar of Adil Shahi. The region comprising Pune, Supe, Indapur, and Chakan Paragnas was vested in Shahaji Raje as a Jahagir. He was also granted the Jahagir of Bengaluru, Chakan, Karnataka by Adil Shahi. Shahaji Raje was a valiant, courageous, intelligent, and a great political expert. He won many regions in Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. While Shivaji Maharaj and Jizabai were at Bangalore, he had provided excellent education to Shivaji Maharaj so as to enable him to become a king. He aspired to establish Swaraj by ousting the power of the foreign people. Therefore, he was known as a visionary of Swaraj. He sent Shivaji Maharaj and Jizabai to Pune with loyal and competent associates. Rajamata Jizabai was the mother of Shivaji Maharaj. Jizabai was the daughter of the great Sardar Lakhoji Raje Zadav in Sindh Khed Raja. She had received military training along with education at young age. She was a competent visionary and political expert. She inspired Shivaji Maharaj in the mission of establishing Swaraj. She was particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji Maharaj and instill values like modesty, truthfulness, courage, and fearlessness. She saw that he was trained in the uses of weapons. Now we will see who were the friends of Shivaji Maharaj, who were the companion of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding Swaraj in Mawar region. Mawar terrain is full of hills and valleys and not easily accessible. Shivaji Raje skillfully made use of these geographical features for the foundation of the Swaraj. With the help of his friends, they were known as Mauras because these friends were living at Maura region, so these were known as a Mauras. Yasaji Kank, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narekar Deshpande brothers, Kauji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare, Kanoji Jede, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, Dadaji Naras Prabhu Deshpande, all were the associates of Shivaji Maharaj. These people helped Shivaji Maharaj in his establishment of Swaraj. They were always very supportive to Shivaji Maharaj in the work of a Swaraj. With the help of a Rajamudra, or we can also call it as a royal seal. The objective of founding the Swaraj is clearly stated in the royal seal of Shivaji Maharaj. It stated that this seal will grow in splendor like the new moon. This seal of Shivaji Maharaj, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world, denotes the welfare of people. It covers the entire concept of Swaraj. What was the purpose of Swaraj? What was the objective of Swaraj? What was his main motto of establishment of Swaraj was stated in the royal seal. So royal seal was published that time in front of the people. In common language, it was known as a Rajamudra. Children, in the first video, we are going to see the information about the foundation of Swaraj up to the royal seal. In the next video, we are going to take information about the establishment of Swaraj, then capture of Jauri Fort, defeat of Afzal Khan, and expedition of Siddhi Johar. After this video, I am going to give you one assignment which you are going to write in your classwork notebook. Till that time, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay happy. Thank you.